In 563 AD, Saint Columba founded Iona Abbey on a small Scottish island. It grew to become an influential center for learning and literacy in the Middle Ages. In 1802, Edmund Rice sold his thriving business to devote his life to educating the marginalized youth of his native Ireland, leading to the formation of the Congregation of Christian Brothers. And in 1940, the Congregation of Christian Brothers founded Iona College in New Rochelle to educate the overlooked students of New York's working class. Building on this 1,500-year tradition of learning and service, Iona College has established a legacy of opportunity and inclusion, and the liberating power of education. A legacy of fighting the good fight that will never change. Now, building on this legacy of unity, community, and ingenuity, it is time for Iona College to expand on our heritage of service and learning and empowerment. Not a new Iona College, but a renewed Iona College. Informed by our strengths, with a renewed focus on innovation and versatility, with a renewed purpose for putting preparation into meaningful action, and a renewed appreciation for fighting the good fight. Now is the time for Iona to write a new chapter in its story, and for you to turn a fresh page in yours. To get off the known path and make your own path. It is time to follow your heart and your head. To serve while you learn and learn while you serve. To find meaning in your dreams in ways you never dreamed possible. Because sometimes you have to go out of your way to find your way. It's time to learn outside the lines.